Hi guys, Joseph here. Today we're doing another Joseph car video, and today I'll be showing you how to fix this issue with your Volvo V70. It's when you lock your V70, is normally your hazard lights flash. When you lock it one day, your hazard lights aren't flashing and you're wondering why they're not flashing. Yeah, it is an issue that can happen to these V70s sometimes. But don't panic, this is easy to fix. Yeah guys, when you lock it, it won't, hazard lights don't flash. When you unlock it, I'm going to show you here. Hazard lights flash, locked, no flash. And obviously if you try and open the bonnet, I think your alarm will go off. And here's the issue to this. Normally the bonnet's not shut, but if I try and lift it, the alarm should go off. And yeah, it's partly released. Yeah. The reason the alarm's going off is because your bonnet's not closed. That's the only issue that can cause it. I'm just going to unlock the vehicle to show. Normally, to release the bonnet, you open the driver's door and you pull this. Most of mine's already released. And you come round, just open the bonnet. And if you, here's your bonnet latches here. Then what you take off to get to these latches. There's one here. There's this bit in the centre. It's just, you lift that up to open that. Need a latch on the right. Normally if you close the bonnet properly, I'm just going to show you how to do this, to fix this, our issue. If you close it properly, now you try and lock it, it should be back to normal. You hit lock, it'll flash again, unless you like normal. That's the issue. It might not, if it's shut just like this, open it up and drop it down again. It should fix your problem. It did for me. Yeah. Even if it might not sound true, but still, give it a go. It doesn't sound. I didn't even think it'd fix my own problem, but I just gave it a try. So that was my own. I didn't think it'd fix it, but it did. So yeah, guys, give it a go. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos like this. And have a nice day.